are something you don't have a problem with just yet, but you'll find out that, yes, it's going to be true.
What is
There
it?
are 7 bizarre things that our parents did that we do now.
Oh, I actually have found myself doing this. I say something and I go, I sound like my dad.
All right, there's things you'll find yourself doing down the road
Okay.
that your parents are doing.
All right, what are they doing? Tell me.
Wiping snot with your bare hands.
Oh, what?
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
When you got a kid?
Yeah.
Runny nose?
Oh, yeah?
Wipe
What
it
about the
with
old,
your
like,
hands.
lick the thumb and clean the mouth? You ever had that
yeah,
done to you?
using saliva as a cleaning method.
Yeah, I remember
do
my
that?
mom doing that to me when I was waiting for the bus.
When you spill something on your pants, what do? You get some saliva. And
I've never done that. I will just pat it with a washcloth or a paper towel.
No.
Yeah, just a little pad. You don't want to, like, rub it in there.
Forgetting your age.
Forgetting
Which
my
is
age.
true. You have
Yeah?
to sit and do the math.
You mean other than just lying about your age, flat
Yeah,
out?
yeah.
How old are you, Karen? I'm 35. I've been 35 for 7 years now.
When you're 13, 16, 18,
You know.
21.
You know what age you are.
Absolutely. But when you're like 47,
Nah, am I 47 or 46? You never really know.
wanting to be sick instead of your kids.
Oh.
I will take your sickness to make you well. I'll
Okay.
take the hit.
Because you still, a lot of the times, have to take a day off from work anyway. Might as well just be cuddled up in bed.
Hating today's music.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. I have
Does-
heard my mom. This music isn't as
Yeah.
good as music back in my day.
Yeah, yeah.
And then my mom complains. She goes, these aren't oldies. These are classics.
Eating previously chewed on food.
Ew. Oh, yeah, but...
When you've got kids and they're all finished with food at a restaurant.
and it looks pretty good.
and it's there, and
But they took a
ate
bite out of
hardly,
the burger?
hardly any of that chicken nugget.
that money's not going to waste.
You're going to finish
That
it off.
food's not going to waste.
I'm not throwing away food I paid for.
No, thank you.
And lastly, you'll be saying, you'll see when you're a mom.
Yeah, my mom
Or
was
dad.
saying that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's all true.
It is true.
More info on the 7 bizarre things our parents did that we do now, right now. YesFM.com in the MERS in the morning section. Also, Facebook and Twitter, too.